Hello everyone, this is Om Dishamugar, Nepali Tips. Nepali Tips Om Dishamugar. I am telling about Messenger. This is the group subscriber. That's why I am making this video. Uh, just subscribe my channel, then like whatever you can comment. Then let's start the video. Guys, I am telling to you how to check your inbox because of I am sending lot of people my link, my YTC, but they are not replying me, they are not checking. Then I think they don't know how to check the inbox. That's why I am making this video. Let's start this video. Yes, you have to go. Whoever sent you, you can see the clearly. Then you can replay, you can subscribe, exchange your subscriber, YouTube channels. Let's start. Just open the messengers. Then messenger, you can open messenger. This is the lot of people there. Your friends, yours, whatever your. Then you have to go the. You can see the, bottom. Then second option you can see the 221 friends are there already online. Then you have to click there. You can see, you can click there, then you can see top side. Then this is left side my profile and our people, one message is there showing. Then you have to select the second option. This is the messenger. Last option is parent. Then you have to select this second option. I can see, you can see, and whoever you send you the messenger, you are not not friended, then they will send you request YTC links anywhere, whatever they are sending message. You can see here. Let's see. You can see this is my not friend, but they send me the message. You can see. That's why I am telling you, just check your inbox, then you can grow your YouTube channels, you can grow your personality, then you can see. Then that's why I am telling to please friends, you check your inbox. Here see second option up is there. Then you can see who sent you link, who sent you YTC. That's why I make this video. Please don't worry. That's why I'm just explain to you all people. That's why I'm telling you, just check your inbox in your messenger. Inbox means they will not send anywhere. They will send you only your messengers, whatever link, YTC, whatever message they will send you.